Ladies and gentlemen, our next panel discussion is Carrot Lane presents Bollywood and Jewelry, the grand sparkling equation. It's going to be full of sheen, richness, and glamour, be it Rekha's stunning pieces in Umrauja or Madhubala's exquisite jewelry in Mughal Azam or Deepika Padukone's timeless pieces in Padmavat. Over the years, jewelry has always had a special equation with Hindi films and our much loved film stars as well. For this shiny discussion, we could not have asked for a more star studded panel. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to now call on stage our panel for this discussion. Please welcome Crystal D'Souza, Isha Kopikar, Taha Shah Badusha, and Miss Meghna Javeri, the Director, Merchandise and Design for Carrot Lane.
So let's give them a warm welcome, first of all, with a huge round of applause because they took time for us out and they are here to discuss on jewelry and Bollywood. So we have a beautiful, gorgeous lady out here from Carrot Lane also, जो हमारे partner हैं इस पूरे session के लिए. So give her a huge round of applause as she has come here all along the way and यहाँ पर हमारे साथ होने के लिए बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया आपका.
Thank you.
What jewelry means to you or it stands for since you are there in Carrot Lane also heading that?
So jewelry for me is beauty. It's you. Every piece of jewelry I think that you wear should define what you are, what you feel about yourself. It can be all high and mighty big necklaces. To say minimal a solitaire string is just that what you want to say about yourself is the jewelry that you wear.
Exactly. हर किरदार के लिए jewelry अलग होती है. हर generation के लिए I think jewelry अलग होती है. If we talk about boomers, we talk about Gen X, we talk about millennials, or we talk about Gen Zs. अलग-अलग तरह से jewelry को flaunt करते आए हैं. We have very beautiful, stylish, like आज आपसे नजरें हट नहीं रही हैं मेरी. क्या लग रही हैं आप? नहीं हमेशा रहती हैं. आपके तो नाम में ही क्रिस्टल है. ज्वेलरी से जिस तरह से नजरें नहीं हटती, तो आपके लाइफ में ज्वेलरी का क्या रोल रहा है और कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए क्रिस्टल्स लाइफ के?
Hi everyone. For me, I think jewelry is a mood. So today I kept it minimal because that's the mood I'm feeling today. But usually, if you're wearing Indian outfits, you wear heavy jewelry. For Diwali, you dress up with heavy jewelry. And I actually like playing around with jewelry, sometimes contrasting it with your outfits. So, jewelry means so many things to so many people. You know, sometimes you get it from your mother, you get it from, your grandmom. And those pieces may not be the most expensive pieces, like monetarily, but they will be the most expensive pieces emotionally. So I think I have a few pieces like that from my grandmom, from my mother that I'm never gonna let go of. And I used to wear them very often, but because we shoot, we have to take out our jewelry and keep them. And then I started getting scared about losing those pieces. But different characters make you wear so many different kinds of jewelry. So I love acting for that reason. I get to do that shadi wala sequence with that kundan or polki set. And then I also get to play a minimal character where I wear oxidized jewelry to show my feminine strength. So jewelry means so many different things to so many different people. But thankfully as actors, we get to experience a lot of it.
Exactly. हम तो ये कहेंगे 1000 में मेरी बहना में हमने जब आपको देखा था ना, आज ये मन कर ही रहा है कहने का कि 1000 में हमारी क्रिस्टल है. So yes. Now moving to the most gorgeous woman out here, ईशा कोपिकर. ईशा ने और मैंने तो बहुत सारी बातें ऑलरेडी की हैं ज्वेलरी के बारे में. इतने सारे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स इनको आते ही मिले हैं. And I was also the one who was like just hooked up to her jewelry. स्टाइलिस्ट का नाम भी जान चुकी हूँ already. And obviously you told me there also off camera कि jewelry played a very important role in your life always. Whenever you go out of your house, so what's that one go-to piece of jewelry that you never forget, or it's like very auspicious to you कि यार ये पहन लूँगी तो बड़ा confidence आ जाएगा मुझ में, नहीं?
A very good afternoon to all of you all here. Jewelry. मुझे तो ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे ताहा ने already कहा है कि it's about identity, it's about emotion, it's about मैं जब बाहर जाती हूँ, ये सवाल आपने किया, जब मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, कहाँ जाती हूँ,
कहीं भी,
उसके ऊपर है कि मैं क्या पहनती हूँ.
Okay.
Most of the time, I think I'd be very happy wearing a solitaire ring.
Wow.
If that's very minimalistic, but yet it kind of represents or shows who you are. But I also love heavy pieces, and I think हम आजकल बहुत क्रिस क्रॉस करने लगे हैं. मतलब we kind of on gowns wear Indian, on Indian we wear Western jewelry. So it again depends on where you're going, how you want to style yourself, and how you feel that day. It also is the mood, you know. Today I felt like I should dress up like a queen. I felt
Wow.
like I want to look royal. I'm talking about jewelry. I'm
It
talking
worked.
about Thank you. I'm talking about Bollywood, and yes, it's been a fantastic transition from Madhubala Mughal Azam days to Deepika's Padmavat. I've also won some stunning pieces. Taha Hiramandi was awesome.
Yes.
You were too good, too cute.
और उसके बाद तो कितनी फीमेल फैन फॉलोइंग बढ़ गई है
Yes, yes.
सर की
The queen is behind me. What are you talking
हाँ.
about, man?
फीमेल फैन फॉलोइंग मेरा मतलब ये था
So the emotion is also what I will think is like Taha said in Hira Mandi, it was that pearl necklace. वैसे हमारे फिल्मों में एक मंगलसूत्र का टूटना या एक बैंगल का टूटना, I think the story is told. The scene is just depicted even before the need of any dialogues. So I think it's an integral part of our films, jewelry,
एग्जैक्टली
and I love jewelry.
एंड आई थिंक विद और विदाउट ज्वेलरी यू आर ऑलवेज अ क्वीन
Thank you.
है ना
Thank you. I feel like one.
So which version of Taha would love to wear jewelry for? और किस तरह की ज्वेलरी रियल लाइफ में भी ताहा को पसंद है, इसकी भी मुझे बात बताइएगा प्लीज. जो आज पहना है आपने, कितनी तैयारी के बाद?
I've always been, जब मैं दुबई में था तो जब मैं स्कूल में था तो हमारे काफी जो हमारे दोस्त थे, they used to get pendants, different sort of pendants, and which used to change color every time it touches your skin. It goes according to your mood. So I think that was the first time जब मैंने jewelry पहनी थी. उसके बाद over time, of course, I've grown. I've understood what jewelry stands for. Like she was just saying Kundan, and she was saying all these design names, different types. And she also just mentioned how Western jewelry has come into on Indian side, and how Indian jewelry has gone to the Western side. And to be honest, I guess now you can say that jewelry, breaks borders. Jewelry crosses the seas and makes us one. So as far as my growth in jewelry right now, this is actually a brand that has made me a brand ambassador of. It's called Solitaire. And Raj is a friend of mine. He's from Spain. So it's his brand. He's opened all over the world right now. So that's why I'm wearing this, to support him, support the cause. And yeah, that's what this is about.
All right, beautifully answered by you. Crystal, coming back to you. I want to ask you, like, who has been your Bollywood crush in your childhood when it comes to this kind of exquisite jewelry? Was that Rekha from Umrao Jan? Or was that Madhuri, who wore that Chand Balia and Devdas? Or that Madhubala?
Unfortunately, in my childhood, I didn't really get to watch so much of films
Acha.
because I was not allowed to until the 10th grade. My parents didn't allow me to go watch films. So my only exposure to it was television, and like to seeing actors was television. And if a film came on TV, then I could get to watch it. And immediately after that, I started acting. So I really didn't get to, observe these amazing pieces on these great actors. Later in life, I did, of course, watch these films. But the jewelry.
Yeah, मैं
is
cut नहीं करना चाहती थी बीच में. You are the guest.
Correct. So I think just the jewelry pieces on all of these beautiful women, the temple pieces, the kundan pieces, polki pieces, all of these, they just stand out and just make the character so important. In fact, even Priyanka Chopra, her nut just says so much in Baji Rao Mastani.
Yeah.
So yeah, like, just these pieces of jewelry can define your caste, your religion, your character, your innocence. Like these dainty gold chains just show that such an innocent girl. And then the same girl will wear a bold gold chain. You're like, oh, she got power suddenly. She got that, that empowerment. And now she's a self-sufficient woman. Just that one piece of jewelry that changed, it can change her whole character.
Beautifully, she has spoken about that. Isha, coming to you. if I talk about Bollywood films way back in like 65 years ago, or when it started, the jewelry trend came in. Now we see that it has evolved. But back then, जब हम देखते थे in cinema, jewelry was something different. जैसे ताहा ने भी बात किया कि jewelry is something that speaks a lot. So which was that one beautiful scene of any Bollywood film you can take up, and you can say यार ये jewelry piece ज़्यादा बात कर सकता था, या it has got more emotions to talk, ये खत्म क्यों हो गया like that?
Just like Crystal, I was not allowed to watch too much.
Okay.
But even when I did and sense prevailed, for me, jewelry was not as important, honestly, as much as acting and performance was.
Of course.
That's as honest that I can be. I started noticing jewelry from Devdas.
Oh wow.
So, and when I did start noticing jewelry, then I started noticing Umrav Jan and the films that were, you know, the yesteryear
In that
movies.
era, yeah.
Yes. So I think that one sequence where Aishwarya gets hit by Shah Rukh and she gets that scar, and that's ish. Yeah. And that scar is for life. So you've scarred me. No, I think it's beautiful. It's इतनी कोई jewelry, वो इतना बड़ा piece नहीं था jewelry का, छोटी सी चीज थी. I think it was a bangle, if I'm not mistaken. That she's the neck piece.
That neck
was
piece,
done.
pearls wala.
Pearls wala neck piece. But you know, it just depicts. Like I said, sometimes we just don't need dialogues. I think it is not the story. I think jewelry is the story. It is. So that was one scene, and then of course Padmavat and Bajirao Mastani.
Yes.
I can just go on and on, but we need to ask everyone
All
questions.
Bhansali films.
But I think it represents heritage, royalty.
Yeah.
Now even men use a lot of jewelry.
Exactly.
Unlike
Unlike earlier years,
lineage,
yeah.
legacy. In Jodha Akbar, you saw Hrithik wearing such exquisite jewelry. So I think that's the first time I saw. There were a lot of, there was Mughal Azam then and Dilip Saab wore jewelry, but I didn't watch as many movies then. But I started noticing in Devdas, Jodha Akbar. So after that, I think I also developed a flair for jewelry. Honestly.
Oh wow.
So even
As we can see.
So even on maybe a white shirt and blue jeans, you wear a beautiful kundan
Absolutely.
piece. It looks stunning because you can never go wrong with a white shirt and blue jeans.
Yes.
But if you want to add some flavor and you just want to kind of top it up, you just wear a beautiful jewelry piece.
Exactly. किसी भी चीज को अगर enhance करना है, किसी
Yes.
outfit को enhance करना है,
Yes.
I think jewelry is the best thing that
Yes.
we can add on or we can team
Or
it
you
up
can
with.
tame it down. Yes.
Of course. अच्छा, इससे मुझे एक बात याद आती है, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि आप दोनों में से आपने तो ऑलरेडी काम कर लिया है. कब आप लोग ने मैनिफेस्ट किया है संजय लीला भंसाली के साथ काम करना है just because of the grandeur and feel that he gives with his sets or jewelry or costume?
Yes.
तो अभी भी
Yesterday.
करता हूँ.
संजय सर कहाँ हैं? अगर देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज.
Yesterday.
As you speak. Still manifesting.
Yesterday. He is just the way he represents and the way he gets the best out of women, the way he makes each one of them feel so important. I mean, in Hira Mandi, there's such beautiful, so many women. And even Tahat, you must have, in between so many women, I'm sure, but you didn't feel lost.
Hey, don't you see?
You're not feeling
I'm-
lost
I'm
now,
used to
Vijay?
it.
And every character was so beautifully adorned with, I mean,
Exactly.
and their, I'm speechless.
Not
But yes.
just, I think he just uses so many accessories, not just on his
Yeah.
actors, but like
Curtains
around.
flying
Yeah,
and-
just like everything is so dramatic
Yeah.
and so beautiful. You know, it doesn't look like ye over ho gaya.
हाँ.
You're feeling like, wow, this is dramatic. I'm flowing with this. If the curtain is flowing without wind outside, doesn't matter. It's flowing. It's beautiful.
आपको पता है मैं संजय जी की फिल्में 2-3 बार देखती हूँ. एक मैं सिर्फ फिल्म देखने के लिए देखती हूँ.
True.
Really? And when
हाँ.
I see that, I don't see anybody else. I just वो curtains fly हो रहे होते हैं, वो दिया गिर रहा होता है, वो flame burn हो रहा होता है.
He plays
And
with it
then-
so
and then,
beautifully.
yeah, and then you want to see the movie for the characters. Then you want to see the movie for the acting. You want to see it for the jewelry. And then you realize, अरे ये तो मैंने देखा ही नहीं था because आपका focus कहीं और था.
Exactly.
At least I do that. I'm
Same here.
Plus one.
You must have also seen Sanjay Leela Bhansali's work, no? So what do you have to say about that?
As Isha mentioned,
Yeah.
the third time, for me, it's the first time for jewelry,
Yeah.
then the costumes, then the acting, and then the characters,
Huh.
of course. But very rightly said, I think he brings live the jewelry in its most grandeur and glamorous form.
Huh.
Totally in sync with what Bollywood is today. So
Ta-
absolutely does justice to all of it.
And a lot of jewelry brand stores, designers must have really started doing well after Sanjay Ji's films.
Exactly. Very true.
I'm sure.
Hmm.
Because of the way he just showcases it, the way he just portrays it. It's so grand, so royal, it's beautiful.
ताहा का स्टाइल और टेस्ट कैसे बदल गया हीरा मंडी में संजय सर के साथ काम करने के बाद? अबाउट ज्वेलरी इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, बदला? ही इज थिंकिंग, है ना? पार्ट 2 में भी तो जाना है ना अभी, है ना?
I think it enhanced my perspective of how one can be portrayed or how one wants to be portrayed, and how jewelry can enhance that personality type. I think that you can learn. Of course, I used 1 or 2 rings in the show, and we had diamonds ke jo baliyan hain. We had that. I mean, that was minimalistic for me, to be honest. But we did have, like Crystal was saying, that everything seems to be designed, right? So overall, I think jewelry was also part of the costume, not just the piece,
Yeah.
but the design of the clothes itself had linings of jewelry, like pearls on it, or different kinds of threads, you know, but all jewelry types. It's actually, so I think that I took a major liking towards what do you call this clothes? Jisme aap angrakha.
अंगरखा
Angha.
स्टाइल.
I mean, amazing. Yeah, their outfits. I learned so many new things. So like those things are quite those things that I learned.
So quickly, be honest, you have to be now. Isha, starting with you. Any
on.
time on set that you walked off wearing
Have
a
you-
jewelry piece without even realizing कि अच्छा ये मेरे पास ही रह गया
बहुत
अभी?
बार,
कितनी बार?
बहुत बार, छोटी-छोटी
ये
चीजें.
गलती से नहीं हुआ है.
नहीं गलती से हो जाता है क्योंकि प्रोड्यूसर मांग लेते हैं तो
Oh, whoops. Oh, sorry.
so गलती से हो जाता है कई बार, and most of the time I keep it even carefully because continuity नहीं तो जंग आ सकती
Important
है
है ना?
अगर हाँ, if you kind of either lose it or if
हाँ.
you lost it तो हो गया काम.
हाँ.
But a lot of times jewelry, unless it is a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film or that kind of royalty that needs to be expressed in cinema, jewelry is not that expensive that we wear for our shoots.
Basically,
So,
it's not real, is what you're trying to say.
I mean, I don't want to, yeah. It's not real.
हाँ.
तो-
क्रिस्टल के साथ
तो
हुआ है?
आप पहन के निकल जा सकते हो,
जा सकते हो, हाँ.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
चलो एटलीस्ट ये मुझे एक राहत दिया. कभी ऐसा होगा तो लाइफ में.
अब मैंने 2 साल एक टीवी शो किया जिसमें एक शादीशुदा औरत का
Yeah.
रोल निभाया है.
हाँ.
So I think the wedding ring was something that just never came off because if I took it off, I would forget to get it back or I would leave it at somebody. And more than anybody else, I thought it was my responsibility to take care of it
हाँ.
because we had already lost one before. And then finding that same design, and there was a whole story revolving around that ring.
Hmm.
So I'm like, no, I'll keep it, I'll wear it. So I literally kept it on for almost 2 years.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's that.
Did
Then
people
they
think you
gifted
were
it
actually
to-
married?
हाँ.
No, please no.
Nobody asked you out?
No,
Sometimes it becomes moral responsibility because
Yeah.
you feel that it's a part of you, and
हाँ.
if you lose it, अगर फिर वो कौन ढूंढने जाएगा? Same, absolutely.
Correct.
So you
Like the
just wear
first
it, and I
time-
tell the team that
हाँ.
आप लोग उसको पता नहीं ठीक से रखोगे क्योंकि कई बार एक सीन 2 महीने बाद आ सकता है,
Correct.
and then you need that piece,
Hmm.
and then you'll keep looking for it. So I say मैं रखूंगी और मैं ले आऊंगी.
Hmm.
The
Don't
first
worry
time it
about
got
that.
lost, I felt very guilty. Like
बीच में पहन लूंगी.
I actually felt very guilty when it got
Okay.
lost. That somehow it's my fault. I should have
हाँ.
taken better care.
हाँ.
So I took better care.
ओके मुझे तो ये भी रहता है क्योंकि आई एम वेरी केयरलेस अबाउट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. मैं तो खो देती हूँ. अगर मैं ले गई तो वो मुझसे
I
खोना
am
ही
very
है.
responsible.
आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल इन अदर थिंग्स लाइक नॉट फॉरगेटिंग टू टेकिंग माय दिस लेट्स टॉक विद नमिता कार्ड टुडे बिकॉज बॉलीवुड हंगामा से नहीं मिला वो क्यू कार्ड, तो मुझे लगा अपना ही ले जाती हूँ अपने प्लेटफॉर्म का. खैर कोई बात नहीं, इस पे चर्चा होगी, ये चाय पे चर्चा का विषय है. अच्छा, आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है मैम, कैरेट लेन में हैं आप ऐसे ही पहन के निकल गई ज्वेलरी और
Oh, absolutely. Whatever designs and
Huh.
jewelry we create, I myself try it on just to
Oh,
have a
wow.
look and feel. And most of the times, I think it's intentional also. I end up, wearing the jewelry and walking out.
Huh.
And then, of course, the invoice comes that,
Yeah.
okay, fine, you get to buy this. But yeah, most of the times, yes.
Before you said invoice, I was going to walk into Carrot Lane, take one and walk out.
So I definitely mentioned the invoice then.
Exactly. ताहा, आप बताएं कि कभी ऐसा हुआ है? You walked off the set. हीरा मंडी में ही बता दो यार. इतनी ज्वेलरी पहना के
नहीं,
रखते थे वो लोग
हीरा
आपको.
मंडी के सेट पे बहुत सारे लोग थे जो
हाँ.
हर चीज के बारे में देखते थे.
हाँ.
Yeah. The jewelry people, there was just
टीम
one
बड़ा है ना
person.
उनका.
There was no chance, not at all. But on other films, जैसे अभी मैंने
हाँ.
एक फिल्म शूट की थी पारो, जो अभी कैन
हाँ.
में दिखाई दी थी.
हम्म.
तो उसमें there was a few jewelry pieces.
हम्म.
But I make sure to give it to the right person so that I don't have any responsibility
हम्म.
because I don't want to be cause any trouble. But yes, sometimes you do forget. और कभी-कभी ऐसा भी हो जाता है कि मैं उनको घुमा देता हूँ.
हम्म.
Then there's a big problem.
Oh.
तो इसलिए now I make sure yours.
Okay. Now you have to do quick confessions, right, on jewelry.
ईशा you start.
Starting with Isha.
एक ही चीज बोल रही हूँ मैं, रे
हाँ.
रैपिड फायर मत करना.
कुछ नहीं है रैपिड फायर, बहुत सिंपल है. हाँ देखो, वो तो वैसे भी मिल जाएगा बिना बिना
पहले
इसके भी जी
हैम्पर
मिल जाएगा.
दिखाओ.
हाँ, हैम्पर के लिए तो मैं ही आई थी यहाँ. दे देना यार. ओके.
You will get blank cards. Yeah.
All right. Bollywood हंगामा के. Next, I will be working with Bollywood हंगामा, not as a panelist, but job पे ही रख लेंगे मुझको लगता है ना. So I have googled the cost of jewelry I was wearing mid shoot. Any time happened with you, Isha?
No.
No? Crystal?
Never.
Never? Aha.
Yeah, no.
अब आपसे तो पूछ नहीं सकती, आप शूट पे नहीं रही होंगी, मतलब आप क्या करेंगी वो करके गूगल? आपको तो पता ही है कॉस्ट क्या है.
No, I own every piece that I'm
Yeah, she gets.
Yeah.
She
Oh,
only
wow.
gets invoices.
तो फिर तो इनवॉइस हाँ बात करना पड़ेगा ऑफ द सेट. ओके. सो आई हैव वॉन फेक ज्वेलरी एंड टोल्ड पीपल इट वाज रियल. मैं अभी की बात नहीं कर रही, अभी तो आप बहुत एक्सपेंसिव कर ही लेते हो अफोर्ड, लेकिन पहले कभी हुआ हो ऐसा?
Even if I wore fake jewelry,
हाँ.
I've never had the need to tell people it's real. They always believe it's real because
Okay.
it's the person who's wearing it. Most of the time when we go for destination weddings,
या
most of us don't carry real jewelry because we are scared that we lose them.
एग्जैक्टली.
Most of them. So there are a lot of people out there,
हाँ.
and I wouldn't be a fool to take real jewelry worth,
Whatever.
Lakhs of हाँ
which
rupees
are
like-
expensive.
हाँ.
But nobody has the guts to ask you,
Hmm.
me, whether it is. I don't go around telling people that hey, it's real.
Hmm.
It doesn't work like that. So
But
जो
I-
उनको
I-
लगना
I-
है लगने
Whatever
दो.
whatever
I've
you
actually-
wear now, it
जो
looks
उनको
real
लगना है
only.
लगने दो.
है ना?
I've actually faced the opposite actually. Like
Okay.
like
रियल पहना तो लोगों को फेक लगा.
हाँ.
नहीं
तो?
not like that. Like they say, oh wow, it's so amazing. They think it's real. I'm like, no, it's fake. Like I say, it's fake. Like if it's fake, it's fake.
But कोई ऐसे
Nice,
नॉर्मली
no?
पूछता नहीं को बेवकूफी होगा जो ऐसे
नहीं,
पूछेगा
कई लोग
कि
पूछ
यार,
लेते हैं ऐसे.
अच्छा
हाँ,
मैं
हाँ.
ऐसे लोगों के साथ नहीं जाती,
हाँ,
घूमती नहीं हूँ.
Yeah, I don't think anyone
आप
has
तो
ever
10 बजे
asked.
सो
I
जाती हो.
हाँ?
10 बजे सो जाती हो. कहाँ घूमने का
मैं
टाइम
10
है आपके
बजे
पास?
सो जाती हूँ.
Crystal.
I don't think anyone has ever asked me, oh my
Ah.
god, this piece, is it real? I don't think anyone has ever asked me, but if they do and if it's not, I will obviously tell them it's not. I will give them the shop's name. Please go get it from there, or the Instagram handle that this is where whoever sent it to me. But no one's asked me, so I haven't had to lie, or if they did, I would never lie.
Is the earrings you're wearing
I was
real?
just
No,
going to
they're
say-
not.
Stop it at 19, 19, 19.
Okay, let me do this.
Yeah.
They're not. They're from this brand called Glam Joera, and you can
Of
go
course,
get it.
this is.
But
You
these
all
are real. These are from Ornaz. They're real.
Moharma.
You know what? This is real.
Wow.
What are you talking about?
What is it?
Oh, okay, that's it.
Yaar,
Yeah.
We all are real people with real jewelry pieces. Why to fake when we have this
My
real?
whole name is Crystal. Do
Of
I
course.
really need jewelry to define me? I don't
Of
think
course.
so.
Okay, just a little introduction on
Yes,
the
please,
brand.
yes.
So Carrot Lane, a Tata product. So we go with the trust of Tata. And Carrot Lane, the name itself says diamonds all over written on it, right? And by going with the trust of Tata, of course, as a brand, we are into creating some stunning jewelry pieces which are like effortlessly wearable. You can actually team it up, like you were saying earlier, team it up with a classic kurta to a crisp white shirt or even a little black dress. The jewelry is versatile, and we being the design leaders try to create jewelry which is specifically not locker jewelry, when you're buying a jewelry, you want to wear it, right? You want to just like not think too much and just pick a piece, and whether you're going to work, you're going for a shoot, or you're going on a vacation, or wherever you are going, very effortlessly minimal, chic, and stylish pieces is where we stand, as a brand. And innovating always with our designs. It can be layering of necklaces to a minimal tennis bracelet, to stunning pair of, solitaires. We've in fact recently come up with our new collection. That's the runway collection, which is our ode to the entire aircrew industry, which effortlessly serves with always a smile on our face. So yeah, that's just a collection that we've launched last week. And that's where we stand as brand, always innovating, fresh, modern, beautiful jewelry. You don't have to think before purchasing or wearing it. That's where
Thank
we
you
are.
so much, ma'am.
Wow.
Now we can just pick three things that she said.
Now.
Yeah.
So I think Carrot Lane is more like me, innovative and elegant and effortless.
Okay.
There
Crystal,
we
you
go.
want to add
Yes,
something?
Crystal, come on,
I
your
think
turn.
it's classic. I think
Yeah.
it's beautiful.
Hmm. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you're getting the hampers now. है ना? Taha, Carrot Lane, please. कह दो आज
कह दूं
तुम्हें, हाँ, वाह.
अच्छा,
गा दो यार, गा भी सकते हो.
I would have to say that I saw the earpiece that she's wearing. It looks very, very elegant, yeah, and it looks incredible, and she looks like competition.
I think you absolutely win there.
हाँ,
With all the
you're winning the
glamour you are
hamper.
wearing.
Hmm.
And I love the way you
Isha
styled
also.
your blush also.
Isha and Crystal also, right? Thank you.
Absolutely. I just complimented Isha as soon as I saw her. Like, wow, diva.
All right. Thank you so much, all of you, for coming and joining us. It was one such wonderful conversation that even I have not expected कि इतना ये खूबसूरत जाने वाला है. वैसे थोड़ी तारीफ मैंने कर दी है खुद की, बाकी आप पे है. Thank you so much once again, Isha, Crystal, ma'am, and Taha.